Blizzard. Welcome to another review in the car. Today's item is the Reese's Extreme Blizzard from Dairy Queen in Fall River. And yeah, it's basically starting to melt already, but it's because it's humid. But yeah, it's got Reese's Pieces, Reese's Peanut Butter Cups, all mixed together, so it's gonna be good. Oh man, it's melting everywhere. That's what I get for trying to eat a Blizzard in a hot car. But yeah, it's really good. You get the crunchy chocolate, but then you also get the from the Reese's Pieces, but you also get the soft Reese peanut butter cups too. So yeah, it's really good. But I'm gonna be wearing it here in a minute. Not quite as bad as the milkshake, but still got it all over me. Anyway, on Thursday, Pat Healey of the Laker News is going to be at DQ Fall River for Miracle Treat Day, and that'll be Thursday evening. So if you want to get your Blizzard made by Pat Healey, come down to Fall River DQ on Thursday. All right, that's it for the review. Oh, I didn't give it a score. So the Blizzard, I give it a score of 8 out of 10. It's really good. Like, yeah, peanut butter, chocolate, can't go wrong. All right, till the next one. See ya.